We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hakka Band is basically made up by the members of Labor Exchange Band who won the 2002 Golden Melody Award for Best Band. The band name Hakka is based on the fact that Hakka music brings in various styles of music, and the band hopes to be the bridge to blending traditional music with modern music. To the Hakka Band, music is not just performing in pubs, but also an activity at neighborhood centers and schools. The members of Hakka Band have rich on-stage experiences after long years of traveling and performing at various venues. Using traditional electric musical instruments and playing their own genre of music, the Hakka Band are now regular performers at cultural centers, pubs, weddings, funeral, and even temple festivals. Out of all the Taiwanese bands, they can be called the band that is closest to the people. Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai Hey Josephine.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Actually, I'm not feeling too well because I'm itchy. 好痒啊，冻溶。哦，溶是 itchy 是不是？
溶啊。
You know why I'm itchy? Not because I had too much seafood, but because last night I was bitten by mosquitoes from head to toe. It is unbearable. 真的是应该要用蚊香。昨天睡觉忘记用蚊香了，所以这个全身呢被蚊子叮得满是包，你知道吗？到现在都还在痒。
蚊呢？
哦，你这样，我这样听到我就就觉得很适应。蚊呢 ？Mosquitoes. We hate mosquitoes. Why do they even exist in this world? Anyways, let's teach people how to say that. Let's say you've bitten by mosquitoes and it still itches right now. Let's teach.
蚊呢？掉到全泡。
什么串泡？你要逗我笑是不是？串泡。这样我忘记我痒了，对，是没错。为什么串泡？蚊呢是 mosquito。OK。
掉到
这样子。咬到是不是？OK， 咬到，掉到。
全泡。
全泡 ？What's 全泡？
全部都是包啊。
哦，全都是包。Oh, those are mosquito bites. You know those bumps that you have?
都見。很會用。
very, very itchy. So the whole sentence means I've been bitten by mosquitoes and I feel very itchy up till now. Okay, let's review the whole sentence all over again.
蚊呢
mosquitoes.
掉到全泡
bitten me all over.
都見
right now.
很會用
right now it still itches. It's time for me to take a shower.
是母胎嘎。
暗自say 脏來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.